The SureGear strain-wave servo gearboxes are amazing because they extend your SureServo motor gear reductions way out without adding more size or weight. Traditional planetary gearboxes can only tweak the gear ratios so far before they have to add extra stages to jump to the next level of gear reduction. Eventually, they become unwieldy because of the extra stages and less reliable because they have so many moving parts that wear out. The strain-wave gearboxes don't have those limitations. This is a 50-to-1 strain-wave, an 80-to-1, 100-to-1, 160-to-1, and a 200-to-1 gearbox. Yeah, the size of the gearbox doesn't change when you change gear ratios. So if you change your mind later, you don't have to redesign your machine just to change the gear ratio. How cool is that? Strain-wave gearboxes have zero backlash. That's right, you can go from forward to reverse and don't have to wait for the gears to catch up like you do with traditional gearboxes. Strain-wave gearboxes are ready to go in either direction at any time instantly. Resolution and accuracy stay the same over the life of the gearbox. You don't have to worry about planetary gears slowly wearing out or getting sloppy or losing accuracy. Strain-wave gearboxes have fewer moving parts, so they're inherently more reliable. And since the gearboxes are permanently lubricated, there's no periodic maintenance required, which saves you machine downtime. While these are designed specifically to fit the SureServo brand of servo motors, they're also available in all the standard NEMA sizes, so you can use them with your favorite stepper motors. Check out this video to get a peek inside the gearbox to see how the strain-wave magic happens. You'll quickly see how this simple concept accomplishes all of this. With in-stock, ready-to-ship parts, free shipping on all orders over $49, free cab models, free tech support, and a 30-day no-questions-asked money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Get one today at AutomationDirect.com.